Cambridge International Direct, known as Direct, is the online student results verification portal offered by Cambridge Assessment International Education, which allows universities to search for and check student results. The service is free to use and allows access for up to 6 separate Direct user accounts per university. You can use Direct to download the results details for multiple students instantly, as well as check individual results. To apply for access to Direct, you need to complete an online sign-up form, which can be found on the Verification of Student Results page on our website. Universities can also opt to receive and check students' Cambridge International results electronically on the day results are released through our Priority Results service. Simply select the box on the application form if you would like to receive this service. If you are a US university, you also have the option to sign up to receive US student grade transcripts electronically. Once your application has been approved, you will receive a username and password to access Direct. You can access Direct via our website at direct.cie.org/login. Enter your username and password in the login screen and select Login. When you access Direct for the first time, you must accept the terms and conditions. These can be found by clicking on the Candidate Results tab. To begin searching for students' results, click on the Candidate Results tab at the top of the screen. You can search for up to a maximum of 20 students using this function. To access student results, you will need to know their Cambridge School Centre number, their candidate number, their date of birth in the format day, month and year, and the month and the year in which they took their examinations. For example, June 2018. This information is available on the student's examination certificate or statement of results. All 4 elements of this information are necessary to return students' results for a particular examination series. If you have a student who has taken examinations in more than one examination series, you will need to enter their data for the second series in another row in order to verify the results for both series. You can search for up to 20 student results via this method. Click on the button Add Row. After entering the student information, select whether you would like the results returned to you on screen or receive these as an exported Excel file. If you choose to export to a file, you can save a copy for reference. When you have added all the student details you wish to search for, click Search. To search for the results of more than 20 students at one time, select the Multiple Candidate Search tab. This function allows you to use a template to upload a set of student results. Results are displayed below the student data fields If results have been found, the student name will be displayed. Click Expand to view further information on students' subjects and grades. The results will be displayed in a format which shows the final grade for Cambridge IGCSE, Cambridge O-Level, Cambridge International AS and A levels, Cambridge Pre-U and Cambridge ACE and ICE diplomas, and the percentage uniform mark for countries where this is awarded. If we upload priority results or electronic transcripts to your Direct account, we will send you an email notification and the results files will appear in the My Messages section of the portal. Student results are only available on Direct for the past 5 years. There are some countries for which results are not available. You can find a list of these countries in the Direct User Guide on page 14. This guide also provides information on where to find the centre number and candidate number on a student certificate, how to use the multiple candidate function, and answers to other frequently asked questions. The user guide is available on our website on the Verification of Student Results webpage. For any further questions about Cambridge International Direct, email recognitions@cambridgeinternational.org.